Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be sharing today's Hamster Kombat 5 million combo of the day. What you want to do here is to come to mine here, so click on mine. So once you click on mine, you want to come directly to PR and team here. Alright, so click on PR and team here and you're going to scroll down. So just scroll down a bit and you will see IT team. Alright, so click on IT team and you click on go ahead. Alright, so once you click on go ahead, you have received the first combo of the day. Alright, so what you want to do again is to come down, to scroll down a bit and scroll down and scroll down, then you will see product team here. Alright, so click on product team. So once you click on product team, you are going to click on go ahead. Alright, so once you click on go ahead, and you will see our second combo of the day. Alright, so one more remaining. Alright, so where to locate the last combo of the day is on specials. So click on specials, and what you want to do here is to come down here where it says YouTube Gold button. Alright, so click on YouTube Gold button and click on go ahead. Alright, so and you will see your 5 million immediately, and you can take the price to your wallet balance. Alright, for more content like this one, kindly subscribe to my channel, turn your notification bell to always get notified each time I drop update like this one. And that will be all for today. I will see you in my next video, guys. Take care and bye for now.